boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have IANN DIOR here. I think you should go, or at least stay for 4 minutes or so till this tutorial is over. That will be a fast one. This one, we have only 4 chords and a capo set on the 4th fret, and that's it. So start with capo on 4th. We have C, D, E minor, and G. So let's go over the chords. First the C, that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have D next, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. E minor, that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. So that will be the chord progression through the entire song. C, D, E minor, and G. But we're gonna use a strumming pattern here, and it covers 2 chords. So let's take a look at the first 2 chords. Part 1 for C and part 2 for D. So part 1 will be for this C, down, down. That's it. So 2 downs with a pause in between. And then you shift to the next chord, in this case the D, and play up, up, down, down, down. And that's part 2. Up, up, down, down, down. And then you go to the next 2 chords and play in the same way. Play the same principles here. E minor, part 1, down, down. And then G, up, up, down, 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 part 2. So E minor to G. And that is 1 chord progression round. So 1 round goes like this, slowly. Standard tempo, something like this. And that, my friends, covers IANN DIOR's I Think You Should Go and practice this song actually. So that's what's up. C, D, E minor, G, very easy, straightforward guitar song. So hope you enjoyed it and feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.